Hi everyone, it's a new day again. So, as of now, I'm preparing to go to the grocery store because my mom told me so to buy some home necessities. Then, yeah, go. I'm checking myself like this. Yeah, my brother is at my back. And then, I'm checking myself with and without a mask if I'm still look good. And yeah, I have to put it back because I have to prepare. Let's move on. Oh yeah, the weather here is so cold today because there is a low pressure in our country, and here I'm with my father. Yeah, here we go. Finally, we arrive at the supermarket. I'm at the Gray's pharmacy grocery store because I find it not so crowded for me to tag along with. Yeah, and finally, I haven't recorded myself when I competing because it's quite dangerous because I have a lot of things to carry on.